Hey guys, Scott Anderson here. Today I want to chat about how I now have 400 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I want to explain how I was able to get to this point, chat about different strategies and overall the process. So stay tuned. Alright, so my number one thing I would say is to just get started, okay? You're going to have a lot of fear. You're going to worry about what other people think, just like I did. And you're going to try to figure out, okay, what kind of niche, what problems are you going to solve, how are you going to make money pursuing this. Guys, it is hard. You just got to get over the fear, because really no one really cares. I mean, I didn't really want my family and friends to know that I was doing this, and I didn't. I just kind of did it, and sure enough, a few people did, and they kind of laugh. But I don't really care, because that's over with, and I'm on my path to continue to do videos, and no one's going to stop me. So guys, I would just say get over the fear and just start pushing forward. Just press record. Okay, once you have started your YouTube channel, here is a number two thing I would say to get subscribers on your YouTube channel, is to solve a specific problem. Like whatever niche you're in, look at what tutorial video can you do. The reason why I say that is because people are going to be searching for that, and if it's a small little thing that no one's done a video on, then you're going to get views and you're going to get subscribers. So for me, I started out my YouTube channel with the name Start Funnels, and it was all about being an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and I wanted to shoot tutorial videos about how to do specific things with ClickFunnels that I had problems with, that I didn't really see that many answers for. So as I was able to do that, sure enough, I just kept doing more and more videos like that, and people were commenting like, thank you so much, you solved my problem. So that is my number two. Okay, my number three thing to do to get subscribers on your YouTube channel is to shoot a video about a new product or a new service or software or something that just came out. The reason being is because you guys want to be found on YouTube's search algorithm. Okay, so if someone searches up a new product that just came out, it would be so awesome that you are at the top, right? Because people want to know, what is this product? How does it work? Is it true? Is it false? Is it legit? Or is it scam? Those sorts of things. So people want to review, and if you can put yourself in front of a camera and share your true testimonial of this product, and you're real, then people will see that and trust it, and then therefore they'll not only watch the video, but then they'll want to subscribe. With new products, there's actually a new strategy. It's called launch jacking. You may have heard of it. If you are interested in launch jacking and want to start a YouTube channel in affiliate marketing, I would suggest looking into launch jacking. Now, there is a new program that just came out, and I'm not going to promote it too much, but there's a link below where you can learn the foundations of affiliate marketing for high ticket stuff. That's $7. And then the upsell is where you'd pay for the launch jacking teachings tutorial. That's $47, okay? Let's get on with the rest of the list. Number four is to just ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So that is where a complete newbie will forget to do that. When you're shooting a video like I am now, you need to ask your viewers and subscribers to please like the video and subscribe to your channel. And when you do that, also ask them to tip the bell notification. Why do you as a YouTuber want to do that? Because people like that. They want to give back, and so you want the subscribers, and you want people tipping that bell notification, because when they get notified, they're going to watch your video, and that's also going to help your YouTube algorithm. When I first started and was doing YouTube, I wasn't asking people to subscribe. I wasn't asking them to like or comment or tip the bell notification, and I think that's wrong. I think you need to ask. And if you ask, and a lot of other gurus are saying that you will get more subscribers. Okay, my fifth way I was able to get subscribers to my YouTube channel was doing the follow for follow, okay? Now, this is a strategy where lots of people will, find a channel where they're talking about subscribers and they say, hey, if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. Comment below and let me know if you did it. So this is a strategy. And sure enough, I did this to an extent. It was in a Facebook group where there were other like-minded individuals all in the affiliate marketing niche. And a guru, a mentor of mine, posted this in his group, and he said, hey, here's my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and I'll subscribe back. And anybody else that wants to do the same thing, great. I was actually told by another mentor not to do this sub for sub. Well, because this was all in my niche, and I thought, okay, well, if someone goes to my YouTube channel and they're wanting to learn affiliate marketing, then I would think that they'll learn. So I will put my link out there, so I did. And I went through everybody's other links and I checked them out and I thought, will I really watch this channel? And I thought, if I really will watch this channel and I like it and it's in my niche, because some people, it wasn't in their niche, but when it was, I was willing to subscribe to them in exchange for a subscribe back because we were in the same realm. Now, if you, so sure enough, guys, this is a way to grow your YouTube channel, by all means. But if you don't get the right people and you just do sub for sub and they're not watching your content and they don't like it and they're not good followers, that can actually hurt you. So I would use this with caution. Yes, it will grow your YouTube channel, but you want to do it in the right way. Okay, number 6 is commenting on videos. So another big strategy that a lot of gurus are teaching is find and follow a YouTube channel that you like, that's big, that has lots of followers, and tip the bell notification. And when you're notified that they're creating a video, hop on there and be the first one to comment. And if you're the first one, you're at the top and it's a valuable content, then maybe other people will see that. And then they'll see your name and they'll click on you and maybe they'll subscribe. And maybe they'll comment back and your video can be up at the top at all times. And so that is a strategy, and that's something that I've tried to do. And recently I had like 378 subscribers. I remember the exact number. And for some reason I could not get any more. It was taking me a long time. I was doing videos and I couldn't figure it out. And I watched a few videos and it says comment. So in the last little bit I've done a few comments. I think that's helped me get, 10 or 15 subscribers. It does take time and it doesn't happen like right overnight, and it might not be the best subscribers, but that is a way to get subscribers on YouTube. Okay, number 7 is Facebook groups. So if you're able to connect with the admin or the administrators of a Facebook group that's in your niche, reach out to them. Ask if you're able to post a video, and maybe they'll post a video for you and give you a shout out. So that is something that can really bootstrap your YouTube channel. Sure enough, this happened to me twice. One was with a new product. So sure enough, number 3 was do a video about new products. There was a thing called the SAM funnel. I reached out to the creator. He has a Facebook group, and I said, hey, can I post this in the group? And he said, sure. And sure enough, no one had done the video on YouTube. So when people searched in SAM funnel, I came to the top. And when people in his Facebook group, they went to the link and followed, and I got lots of subscribers. I got a lot of comments on that video, and I was able to help a lot of people and gain a lot of trust. And sure enough, I know of a few subscribers that became subscribers because of that video, and they're loyal to me because I was able to help them with that one specific thing. So Facebook groups. And then another video that I created, I reached out to the admin, and he's like, hey, I'm willing to post this because you're a student of mine and I want to share your success. So that is just a few suggestions there that can help grow your YouTube channel. Okay, number 8, guys, you've all heard this. It's to be consistent. And sure enough, this is very real. I have had kind of this going on, and the times that I'm more consistent, I get more subscribers. And the times when I don't, and I'm not shooting videos, and I've had weeks go by where I haven't, not a lot happens. But, well, I will say that from previous videos, I can get subscribers, which is pretty cool. And I still get views from my previous stuff. But if you're consistent and you're posting every week for 52 weeks, that's 1 year. So 52 videos in 1 year. I mean, that's a start, right? The these videos compound, okay? So if you're getting 10 views when you first post a video, think about, you know, if people are searching it, these videos over here at the beginning of the year are just going to get more views, and those views are going to turn into subscribers, and these views and these views and these views, and you're just going to keep going and progressing. It really is a snowball effect. So I would just say, just like everybody else mentions, be consistent. Who cares if you think that no one is watching and that you don't have much going on? Like, there are people out there that want to hear your voice. They look to you and they trust you. They like you. That's why they are subscribers. So do what everybody else is, what all the gurus are saying, and that's being consistent. Okay, guys? So that is how I currently have 400 subscribers. That's what it took for me. Was it easy? No, it wasn't easy. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is worth it. I've made money from my YouTube channel. I hope that I can continue to grow and get a lot more subscribers and make more videos and do all that stuff. So guys, thank you for those that are subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about YouTube and affiliate marketing, please subscribe to this channel, because that's what I like to make videos about. And tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified when I release the videos. You guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you in the next video.